Hello again, welcome to Stuff Random. In today's video, we're trying to make this tree setup right there. It's actually a model I made because I was stressed out a little. I needed to ease up, and thought the base section, especially the base section, would be a nice intro to sculpting. So I decided to make a tutorial on it. Let's get going. Yeah, so with the tree model, we'll be using an add-on. And of course, since it's an add-on, we have to activate it first, and you already know how to activate an add-on. Go to preferences, go to add-ons, and this add-on will be the sapling tree gen add-on. You could just make sure it's ticked, and you can find it in the curve section all the way down, and tree gen. Yeah, and yeah, we can make the extra editings over there. Let's just add the trees, nothing complex here. The leaves, sorry, might take a while depending on your PC. Yeah, let's go. So let's position it right, orbit out a bit. Yeah, okay, let's add in our plane, a base plane. Yeah, scale it out just a little bit. That's good. I kind of have this habit of talking to myself during videos, so just bear with me, guys. Cool, let's add a modifier, solidify modifier, just to give it some width, thickness, if you like to put it that way. Increase just a little bit, and we can move on to our long-awaited sculpting. Yeah, so there's a lot of tools here you can work with. Clay, yeah, just lots and lots of tools. G for grab, in case you want to use shortcuts. Yeah, and you can see I'm moving stuff, but it ain't moving. And most of the time, when you have a modifier, when you're using a modifier and it's ain't applied, you would have to apply it before you can use. And one more thing you need to really consider in sculpting is okay, take this video, I'm trying to grab and move stuff, but this is as you can see, a very flat, smooth surface. I'm going to need some bumpiness to be able to grab and move, and we're going to do that with subdivision. Yeah, go to edit mode and just right click and subdivide. Yeah, need to add more subdivisions, can increase the number, not too much. And finally, we can do our sculpting. Now you can see as I grab and move, let's reposition, so increase the radius. As I grab and move, you can see some deformations. Yeah, the grab is not really a favorable tool to be using for the bumpies. Let's try clay. No, clay won't really be perfect, so let's use a blob. Blob. Yeah, let's make the bumpiness just some slight bumpiness, and we can add more subdivisions if need be. Subdivide, and you can notice how that affects the sculpting. And actually we're doing this in symmetry on the x-axis. As you can see at the top, you can put it off. That allows you to unevenly sculpt around. Just make some random bumps around. Some basic sculpting. Let's go back to object mode. As you can see, it's really ugly, and subdivision surface modifier comes to save us. Using subdivision comes at a cost, but that's a story for another day. Let's just use it to smooth things out. We can increase the viewport to increase the smoothness. If you need more insight on modifiers, I have a whole video on that. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description. Let me end by apologizing for the noisy background. It's actually one of the factors affecting how regular I post my videos. In the next video, we'll be adding in textures and we'll be getting some intro to node mapping. Be sure to check it out to get this complete model and this model looking base section. So just anticipate, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and sure to flood the comment sections. Thus it increases the ratings for the video and promotes the channel. See you guys in the next video.